What's going on, y'all? Jesse Duke here. Here's a quick sneak peek on my next review of the Sig Sauer P320 M18 I picked up at Outback Firearms in Las Vegas, New Mexico. So I also saw that you guys really enjoyed the super slow-mo on the Canik versus Canik video, so I thought I'd throw a little bit in this one as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, y'all, so we're about 50 yards back here. Got two left, the two that I dropped out a second ago. And we got a pretty severe thunderstorm rolling in on us, if you can hear in the background. And probably not safe. I'm over here sitting on a middle chair, and we also got a couple trees here, so let's get the fuck out of here and get this done. Later.